I also don't want you guys as my viewers not to be informed about what's going on in the crypto world. Yes, sweet. Morning, Big Shot. Well, how's it going? Well, I just landed a $20,000 deal that I just got paid for. Really? That's awesome. What are you gonna do with it? Well, I'll probably buy the FS6 first because I do need to replace my red Komodo. I'm not liking it as much as I thought I would. And then I'll probably buy the A7 III as a beacon because the low light is supposed to be really amazing. Well, as you know, Big Shot, a lot of our audience is videographers and cinematographers, local business owners, and even marketers who are earning profits but are not sure where to put them in 2021. And this is going to be just a video for you guys. Well, I mean, yeah, I guess it would be nice to know what to do. I mean, this year, I could probably put a couple $1,000s in there, but yeah, we'll see. Guys, Bitcoin has been all of the craze. It's up to over $40,000 a coin. And a lot of people have been asking, where do I buy it? How do I buy it? And what altcoins should I buy? Well, lucky for you guys, I've spent a couple days doing a lot of research as well as buying paid tools and listening to analysts talk about the best coins coming here for this 2021 bull market. And if you feel like you've missed out on Bitcoin phase from March until now, from 3,000 to almost 40,000, I'm going to go ahead and share the 5 coins that I've already purchased and that I am invested in that you guys can take a look at for yourself and do the research and then make a more educated decision. And I'm not telling you guys, I'm not a financial advisor. That's a disclaimer. Before I get started, guys, follow along. You guys can go to an app called Coinbase. I have a link in the description as well as in the comments. I get a free piece of Bitcoin as well as you get a free piece of Bitcoin when you invest. And you guys can follow along inside of Coinbase with me here as we go through this list. There we go. So the first coin that I have in that top tier with the 50% is obviously Bitcoin. There we go. So as I'm showing you guys, this is a one-day chart. It went from 36,000 to 40,000. And the volatility in Bitcoin right now is crazy. And they predict for Bitcoin to go all the way up to $225,000 during this bull run. And this bull run is supposed to last from now until like September, October time. And right now, it's hit 40,000 for the first time ever. The previous high was 20,000. And I use Bitcoin as more of a savings account in crypto. So when I make some profit in different coins, I pull out some of that profit and convert it into Bitcoin, and then I let the Bitcoin sit. I really don't have that much Bitcoin, honestly. And like I said, it's just it's a savings account to store profits. But with that being said, I do still use Bitcoin a little bit, but the one that I have the other 48% of my portfolio in is Ethereum. So as you guys can see, I have Bitcoin and Ethereum on the top. Let's go to the chart on Ethereum. Now here's the Ethereum chart. This is the past week, as you guys can see. And in the past week, it's been from 715 all the way up to almost $1,300. And that's incredible, an over 66% increase. Now, a lot of people are most bullish on Ethereum, and that's why I have the majority of my portfolio in Ethereum. They predict this to go to $10,000 to $25,000 during this bull run. Like I said, I can't give you financial advice to tell you what you should buy, but I bought several Ethereum coins, and I'm going to stick to that throughout this whole bull run. After Bitcoin and Ethereum, here are 3 more coins that are technologies that are getting closer to being used. And they also have shown some upside. They've shown that they have actually hit all-time highs before and that they're actually productive and real altcoins. They're not these scammy, cheesy altcoins that some people make and then they get people to buy in and then the altcoin breaks. These are actual legit altcoins that I've done some research on. They're all built on the back of Ethereum. And the first one that I bought and chose is ChainLink. And there's ChainLink. And it started at $11 to start the week, and it ended at $16.11 there. But it got up all the way up to $17.45. And the previous high, I think it's 19 and some change. So it's starting to head into that point where it's starting to get to its all-time high. And they're predicting ChainLink to go up to from $900 to $1,000 per coin. I definitely have double-digit coins in ChainLink. Now, my number 4 choice is XLM, which is Stellar. And let's get to the Stellar chart. Here is Stellar, and this is over the past week as well. It started out at 12 cents, and it's now up to, it got up to 44 cents and now sits around 31 cents. Stellar is one of those coins that really hasn't hit its peak, but if you guys understand percentages, going from 12 to 44, I mean, there's been, like it shows, it's been over 135% increase. So let's say you put $1,000 into Stellar, and if you take that $1,000 and it grows, to over 100%, if it doubles, if it goes from 12 to 24, or if, as you guys can see, at almost 4x'd, you'd go from $1,000 to $4,000, and you'd have $3,000 of profit inside of that coin. And that's what people are doing with these smaller altcoins, is they're putting a decent chunk of money in there, and they're waiting for that 100, 200, 300. I mean, there's going to be some that have 5, 10, and even 100x returns, and that's where people are making a lot of money. So that, for Stellar for me, is that choice. So even if it goes from 31 cents to $10, and you have several hundred coins, or even getting into 1,000 coins, you're going to make a pretty penny off that. So that's why I chose Stellar. Now, the next coin that I have is Dash. There it is right there, Dash. So there's Dash's charts. And it was down somewhere in the neighborhood between, $83, $85, and now it's all the way up to $101. And why I like Dash is because Dash is a little more proven than some of these other coins. Dash is in the mobile online payment space, almost like a PayPal or a Venmo. And it's built on Ethereum. PayPal tried to make their own currency, and the government, I believe, they squashed that. But I think Dash could be that, and that's why I chose Dash. And the other thing is that back in the 2017 bull run, Dash hit $1,600, so it has the ability to climb up. And buying it now at $100, if it's 16x's, you could see some pretty profits, even investing somewhere between $500 and $1,000 even. So that is Dash. And then on some of these other coins, Litecoin. Litecoin, there's one called Polkadot. I don't see it down here. Another one that Elon Musk has talked about was DogeCoin. I have a little bit of DogeCoin. I don't know if you're able to buy that in Coinbase, but I bought that in Robinhood, I believe. And if you guys have the Robinhood app, you guys can buy some crypto on there as well. Although you're not able to buy a lot of the altcoins that you're able to on Coinbase, you can still buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and DogeCoin. But I don't believe you're able to buy ChainLink, Dash, or Stellar there. But if you go to Coinbase, you're able to buy almost all of these coins except for DogeCoin. And, that's just a coin that I have. I don't have much money in it, but I believe it's only at 1 cent. But if it was to scale up to 2 or 3%, I would 2 or 3, 4x my money. And if Elon Musk has something to say about it, if he parks some money in there from Tesla, I'm sure that coin would spike a little bit. So those are my picks, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and those are my picks, guys. Like I said, I have my link to Coinbase down below. If you guys want to get started with Coinbase, if you invest some money in Coinbase and you click the link, we'll both get a little bit of Bitcoin. And I don't want to be a crypto channel. I also don't want you guys as my viewers not to be informed about what's going on in the crypto world. And I want you guys to get a taste of what's happening behind the scenes in the crypto world. So if you guys aren't in the crypto world yet, I suggest that you guys at least get a little bit educated. And from here, whether you guys want to watch more videos about crypto after this video, it would probably be a smart move, but I don't want to be a crypto channel. I just want to make sure that you guys are informed. And I'm also going to periodically do some reviews on this portfolio and see how it's going and show you guys some of the results that I'm getting from this portfolio. And then from there, I'll also show you some of the coins that I'm invested in, or that I, if one of these coins isn't doing so well, that I traded out and what I got invested in, so you guys can see that as well. If there's anything else that you guys want to see, go ahead and put it in the comments below. Smash the like button and subscribe if you want more content. Talk soon, guys. Peace.